Having a good set of clippers in your pet grooming kit is always a good idea. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of these rechargeable clippers. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is great for trimming mats from your pets, or for trimming paw fur, or for trimming your pet's fur in general. So Greg first tested these out with his cats. His long-haired cat does get mats no matter how much he brushes them. So once in a while, he uses these clippers to trim out those mats before they get super bad. It's always better to do this early than to wait. I, on the other hand, use this to trim the fur off of my dog's paws. Siberian Huskies should never be trimmed or shaved, unless medically necessary, of course, but keeping the long fur off of their paw pads gives them so much better traction, so I try to do this often. This clipper is super quiet, which makes it much easier when working with our animals. They're not as scared of it. I love that it's rechargeable and cordless. It comes with a bunch of different length guards, so you can trim to whatever length you want. The LED display on this is amazing. It shows you your speed, how much time you have left to use it at that speed, which I thought was really a cool feature, and your power status. Also, it lets you know when you need to add oil to the unit, which is also pretty amazing. The head of this is detachable, so you can easily take it off and rinse it to have it ready for use for the next time. You're gonna get about 3 hours of use out of this on average, and it only takes about 3 hours to charge it to full, so you can always have it ready whenever you need it. Honestly, this is a wonderful set of clippers. If you are looking for a great set of clippers for your grooming kit, we recommend these.